Stick a Band-Aid on the mirror to check if someone is spying on you. This simple trick will quickly reassure you if you're safe. Take a regular Band-Aid and stick it on the mirror. If the adhesive pad reflects in the mirror, you are facing a regular, normal mirror. Look closely. You should see the reflection of the Band-Aid with the pad. On a two-way mirror, however, you won't see this reflection. If the Band-Aid doesn't reflect, someone might be observing you from behind the mirror. Another method worth knowing is the finger test. In a normal mirror, there will be a gap between your finger and its reflection. But if you touch a two-way mirror, your finger and its reflection will touch directly. Another method is to use a marker. Draw a line on the mirror and look at it from an angle. With a regular mirror, you'll see two lines, the one you drew and its reflection. However, if you do this on a two-way mirror, you'll see only one line. With these simple techniques, you can always ensure that you have full control over your privacy. Put coins in the sink in the hotel. Apparently, a lot of tourists do this. This brilliant trick was shown to me by a former hotel staff member. The bathroom in hotel rooms differs in a few details from the one at home. Although at first glance it looks similar, it turns out that the sink is limited in its functions. Ordinary coins will make using it much easier. If there is no laundry machine in your hotel room, you'll probably use the sink to wash clothes. Unfortunately, the hotel sink doesn't have a plug. This is done for safety reasons. The lack of a plug minimizes the risk of flooding the room. Ordinary coins and a plastic bag can replace it. Just place the bag on the sink, then arrange a few coins on its surface to cover the drain. This way you'll make a makeshift plug that will easily help you fill the sink. Soaking and rinsing clothes in it will be easy. Travelers all over the world use this trick. Brilliant, isn't it? Unwritten rules that apply in hotels. Many people go on vacation without really knowing how to behave in a hotel. Learn them so you don't embarrass yourself. One of the most important rules is throwing used towels on the bathroom floor. You might not know this, but for housekeeping, it makes a big difference. Have you ever wondered why one of your used towels was taken and the other wasn't? In hotels all over the world, the rule is simple. If you want your towel replaced, throw it on the bathroom floor. If you want to reuse it, leave it anywhere else, like on a hook or towel rack. If you leave it on the radiator, it usually means you want to keep it. This is a silent way to communicate with the staff cleaning your room, and it helps keep things running smoothly. This is how towels are folded in 5-star hotels. Fold the towel in half, then bring both corners toward the center so they overlap slightly. Fold it in half again and roll it up tightly. Tuck the end underneath to keep it in place. Done. An elegant, stylish towel that looks straight out of a luxury hotel. As soon as I enter a hotel room, I put my suitcases in the bathtub. You can laugh at me, but this rule protects me from serious problems. It's a good habit worth adopting during vacations, especially when staying in a hotel where we've never stayed before. Many people, right after entering the room, put their suitcases on the floor or bed. They begin to take out clothes and hang them in the closet. That's a huge mistake. There might be unseen guests in the room who could nestle in your luggage. I'm talking about bed bugs, which are common in places where many people pass through. Bed bugs can live in mattresses and upholstered furniture brought in by the previous occupant. Room cleaning is usually superficial, especially in busy hotels. When you enter a room, the first thing you should do is put your suitcases in the bathtub or shower. This is the area most thoroughly cleaned by the staff. Then, check the cleanliness of the mattress. Lift it up and see what the bed looks like underneath. Look into the seams of the mattress, bed frame, and headboard. Bed bugs love to stay in narrow crevices. If you don't notice anything suspicious, then and only then, take your suitcases out of the bathtub. Transporting these bugs from vacation could cost you a lot, so it's worth spending these few minutes on this test. Although it may seem strange, it can save you a lot of trouble. There's a reason I always place glasses on the door handle like this. I worked in hotels for many years. This trick was shared with me by a frequent guest who's been using it for years. Everyone should know it. Many hotel rooms don't have any additional lock on the inside, and anyone with a duplicate key card can open the door from the outside. If you're staying somewhere unfamiliar and want to feel safer, this simple method can help you sleep more peacefully. All you need are 2 glasses from the hotel room. Hang one horizontally on the handle, sliding it in as deep as possible. Then place the second glass upright on top of the first. Leave it like this overnight. If someone tries to open the door, the glasses will fall and make a loud noise. You'll wake up immediately, and the noise will scare off the intruder. This trick is simple but highly effective. It's used not only by solo travelers, but also by flight crew and hotel staff, who often sleep in unfamiliar places. Every night, I would place a towel on the window, and it helped me a lot. This trick can come in handy not only at home, but also during exotic travels. There are a few simple tricks you can use to lower the temperature a bit. One of them is to hang a wet towel on the window in the evening. Take a towel and soak it in water. Make sure to wring it out well so that it doesn't drip. The moisture will make the room noticeably cooler right away. Another trick is to chill your socks in the fridge. Wetting them with cold water works just as well. Lowering the temperature of your feet triggers an automatic response in your body that increases circulation in that area, which in turn helps you fall asleep. A similar effect can be achieved by taking a cool bath or simply soaking your feet in cold water before bed. With these methods, you'll quickly cool down the room and feel much better. My neighbors keep towels in their cars. At first, I thought it was just a coincidence or some strange habit, but over time I started noticing it more and more. Drivers in Southern Europe have been doing this for years. In Greece, Italy, or Malta, it's completely normal. No one explains it. They just place a towel on the dashboard and leave the car. Eventually, I decided to try it myself, and now I understand why. When temperatures rise, the inside of a car can heat up to extreme levels. It becomes unbearable without an open window or air conditioning, and the dashboard, exposed directly to the sun, can crack, harden, or warp. One simple white towel is enough to prevent that. It protects the dashboard from overheating and damage. Since then, I always keep a white towel in my car. This simple trick has saved me a lot of stress and potential repair costs. 99% of people don't know this brilliant trick. Lay the towel flat. It can be any color towel. Fold the long sides toward the center. Fold the bottom part into a square. Place all the things you need at the opposite end. Lay a strap in front of the items and start rolling the towel up slowly. Tuck the end of the towel into the folded pocket. Fasten the strap as usual. Your practical and stylish towel bag is ready.